I just thought I'd show you why we need to do some work on this axle. Come on, focus. Well, there's the play there. So the kingpins are rounded out, not in the bushings as much as they are in the axle. So that $10 axle saves the day. And then I got new bolts and bushings and all that stuff for this. So this will all be removed and the parts all cleaned up. And then I've already got the new axle is now under. I don't know if we can see, it's getting kind of dark. Yeah, the new axle is all set up underneath there, ready to go. Just got a whole bunch of car keys to put back in things, but yeah, we got it. So anyway, more to come when I start working on those spindles and the bushings and everything. I've got the reamer and all that for it, so we'll get to it. Well, I don't know if you can see it very well, but these bushings, they're not going to come out unless you do something interesting. So what I did was run a 9/16 coarse thread tap into the bushing. It goes right in. That's a 1/2 inch hole, a little bit better. And then you just flip it over, leave that tap in there, flip this baby over, and if you can get your device to actually hold it, go in there and knock it out. Anyway, you just got to find the right way to get into it. And it will start to move, believe it or not. There it is, it's coming out. There you go. So yeah, just repeat the process on the other end and it'll come on out. Just a little trick I learned a long time ago about getting bushings out of places that you really couldn't get a punch into. So I'll get this other bushing out, get it in the blast cabinet, get it all cleaned up. I'm gonna have to get the bushings out for the tie rods, and because we got new bushings to put in there. Then we'll get it steam clean or sandblasted and cleaned up, and get the new bushings in, get it painted, and get everything adjusted. So stay tuned. Okay, now I have to get the bushings out of the spindles for the steering, and they don't come out real easy. It's best that you get a tool to do that with. Now I got this at Chaffin's garage over in Southern California, and he makes these up, and look at there, they fit into the steering arm. So I got a socket to retrieve or to receive the bushing as it gets pushed out, and I got my handy dandy little press here. I'm telling you, I don't know how I did anything without this press. All we gotta do is get everything under there. Okay. Kind of a little balancing act, but it does seem to work. Get it all lined up. Start pushing. There you see. I don't know if you'd ever get that out with a hammer. I really don't think you would. See? Yeah. But, you know, I bought this for the spring bushings. And for the eye bolts and the shackles and things. But hey, it works great here. I'm glad I got it. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. So now these knuckles and spindles are completely stripped of all the bushings, so I can get them cleaned up now. Okay, I've got them sandblasted, primed, and now we're going to put some shiny black, I hope. There we go. We'll let that paint dry up for a while, and then we'll put all the new bushings in there, and then we'll get them reamed out to fit and get them back on the axles.